Hi, my name is Kate Smith from Planned Parenthood. Thanks for joining the second episode of Planned Parenthood Presents The State of Abortion. This week, we're continuing to document the impact of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade, with on-the-ground reports of the latest laws and legal fights that we're seeing in the states. I'm here to keep you informed so you can decide for yourself. As of Wednesday, 14 states have banned abortion, and many of these bans were the result of either a trigger ban or the resurrection of a pre-Roe abortion ban. But this week marked a new milestone for anti-abortion legislation. Lawmakers in Indiana reconvened in the state legislature in Indianapolis on Monday, becoming the first state to enter special session to debate an abortion ban since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade last month. While most state legislatures typically aren't in session over the summer, politicians have the option of calling special sessions to pass legislation outside of their regular schedule. So far, lawmakers in at least 4 states have announced plans to convene special sessions specifically to discuss abortion restrictions. In Indiana, Senate Bill 1 is at the center of discussion. If enacted as written, Senate Bill 1 would entirely outlaw abortion, making Indiana the 9th state to completely ban the procedure. As introduced, the ban includes exceptions in situations of rape, incest, and in the event that the fetus has a, quote, irremediable medical condition. Now, the bill also includes an exception in the event that the abortion would save the patient's life. But as we're seeing across the country, these so-called life exceptions, they're not as simple as they appear on paper. In states with abortion bans in effect, physicians have described chaos while trying to balance the state's new laws with providing the best possible care to pregnant patients. This week, I caught up with Dr. Bhavit Kumar. He's a physician at Planned Parenthood affiliate in Houston, where he and his colleagues are working under Texas's total abortion ban. He told me that this balancing act between medical best practices and state law, it's unique to sexual and reproductive health care delivery. Take a look.
Abortion care is the only time, or in pregnancy-related, issues, is the only time where I've heard of folks really being concerned around having to consult an attorney, and it's an immediate situation. I can't think of any other time when somebody would say, I need to ask the attorney before I can move forward. This is new. This is not, something I've experienced before. It's the last thing that any clinician should be thinking about when it comes to taking care of somebody, especially in an emergency or an urgent situation.
You said something that really stuck out to me. This is the only situation really in an ER where, as you are trying to save someone's life, you are trying to consult with an attorney. Did I hear you right?
I can't think of any other time where somebody might say, let's ask the attorney before we move forward because I'm not sure what to do.
For more of that conversation, be sure to head to stateofabortion.org. Also this week, abortion rights groups continue their legal fights to block abortion bans from going into effect. On Tuesday, the ACLU, Planned Parenthood, and the Center for Reproductive Rights announced they were filing suit in Georgia, challenging the state's 6-week abortion ban that was enacted last week. Attorneys fighting the ban argued that Georgia's 6-week abortion ban violates the state constitution's privacy protections. And next week, we're expecting another major milestone. The first time abortion will be on the ballot since the Supreme Court overturned Roe. On Tuesday, Kansans will vote on House Concurrent Resolution 5003. That's a measure that would change the state's constitution to eliminate an existing guaranteed right to abortion. If passed, the amendment would pave the way for the Kansas legislature's anti-abortion Republican supermajority to not only pass an abortion ban, but also to override a potential veto from the state's Democratic governor, Laura Kelly, who supports abortion rights. Next week, we'll give you an update on the results of that ballot measure, as well as updates on abortion bans across the country. We'll also share a conversation with Wendy Davis. She's the former Texas state representative whose pink sneakers made headlines nearly 10 years ago during a 13-hour-long filibuster attempting to block abortion restrictions. See you next week.